Good morning, everyone. Good morning, traders. Andrew Tehako here with TnT Group, posted for nakedtrader.com. The date is October 22nd, 2010. We got a couple important events here coming up during the day and also here at night. First off, we're going to be seeing German IFO. That comes out in about 20 minutes here, about 3 o'clock Central Time in the U.S. It's usually a pretty big market mover, so we expect some currency moves out of it, possibly the debt, possibly the equities. So keep an eye on that. We also have the G20. Their meeting today. There's been a lot of talk about currency stuff heading into it. So, expect some dollar moves, expect some currency plays, either way in this dollar, up or down. You can kind of expect either way. So that's happening today, and then we also see the IFO here tonight. So those are kind of the two important factors as in events and numbers coming into these markets. I'm not trying to formulate too much of an opinion ahead of this IFO number. Really just kind of planning on seeing how it comes out and then kind of painting the picture from there. Usually a mover, so I really want to see what this comes out as before I start, playing around with stuff. We did see a pretty big euro-yen move overnight. It was right around, what time was that at? Right around 140, I believe. We really saw euro get slammed, and they popped yens on it. It really got this oil moving lower. I was able to sell a couple of oil up there. As soon as I hit the euro yen, and they actually bought boons as well, which I was long too. So you're looking at it was kind of the first time in a while we saw a euro yen play like that, but you really saw how they did this market. They slammed the euro, they bought up the yen real hard, and then all of a sudden the yen just dropped right back down, and it really kind of turned into a dollar play then. And then those boons, you become iffy on those boons. They did go higher. But at that point, then I really liked that oil, especially when copper and gold ended up coming off. That whole scenario, if you were trading around then, or if you take a look at the chart around 140, you really saw how this market moves lately, especially watching that euro. You really saw, you saw a drop of, I think it was around 25 ticks in that euro, just straight down. Nothing really moved. You had a couple ticks in the stuff that you were in, but then the euro just bounced straight back up. You're seeing a lot of just drops and then just a pop back up, and then it makes you make a decision on whether or not these moves are real. You got to decide, okay, is that move back up real in that euro, or is it fake and we're gonna see another dump back down? Which in this case it was fake. So you saw that move back up, and then you saw the euro drop another 40 ticks after that. So a lot of that, and it's hard to trade it, especially when you're short to medium term. Longer term, you can kind of stay out of those random moves. But with the short term and medium term trading, as in I'm doing, you're seeing this just drop and then pop and then drop. It's hard to decide what's real, what's fake. Is your position good or not, and can you hold that position for for a little bit longer and get the value that you think you should. So we're seeing a lot of that, and really this is how these markets have been trading for a while now. And if you can pick whether or not those moves are real or not, then you should be doing all right. But it is difficult. But that's how you got to roll with these. That's it from here. You got IFO here in about 15 minutes. Check in on Twitter. Been posting a lot tonight. What I've been seeing, trying to keep up with that. Check it out, TnT_group, and then check out our blog as well, www.tntgroup.me/blog. Check it out. That's it from here. Andrew Tehako with TnT Group, posting for nakedtrader.com. Thanks.